Why keep asking for what you desire and waiting for it, when you can command it and simply receive it? The universe responds to your commands, and today I will show you how. Stay until the end, because everything you will see in this brief video has the power to change your life forever. Everything you need to manifest your desires is already within you. There is nothing external that you can ask of the universe that is not already aligned with what you carry inside. The universe acts as a mirror of your deepest thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. As we constantly say on this channel, what we see on the outside is merely a reflection of my past thoughts. The key is in commanding, not asking. Most people believe they must ask or beg for what they desire and wait for someone to hear them and grant their request. But the key to manifesting is not in asking, it is in commanding. When you assume your power and act from the certainty that you already deserve what you want, the universe responds to that energy. It's not about waiting for something to happen. It's about making it happen with your firm belief. That's commanding. You command from your state of consciousness, from your internal beliefs. We've always done it, but not intentionally. It's time to take control of that power and get what we really want, not just what we ended up with. The universe doesn't understand begging. Begging comes from a state of lack, because when you ask for something, you feel you don't have it. In this way, you reinforce the idea that you lack what you desire, and the result is that you keep manifesting more of the same. God doesn't like his children to beg. Would a good father want his child to plead for something he already has the right to receive? I don't think so. And God is the perfect father. He already gave us creative power as an inheritance. All you have to do is command, sending the signal that it's already yours. Do it with love and in perfect harmony. Let me clarify. We're not talking about giving orders from a position of superiority, but issuing an instruction from the love and certainty that everything is already yours. By recognizing our inherited power, we expand our state of consciousness until we connect with the being that already has it all. That's how we manifest in alignment with the universe. How should we ask the universe to manifest our desire? I'll explain it to you in 4 simple steps. Number 1. Declare what you want with conviction. You must declare what you desire with total certainty, as if it were already a reality. I repeat, as if it were already a reality. Declare it from your feelings and emotions. You don't need to speak audible words. Assuming your power and recognizing that you are the creator of your reality. The energy of conviction that you emanate is what moves the universe in your favor. Remember, the universe responds to the most deeply rooted emotion. Number 2, feel like you already have it. Your subconscious doesn't respond to empty words, but to authentic emotions. It's not enough to just say what you want. You must deeply, deeply feel that you already have it. Imagine it with all its details. The more detailed, the better. Immerse yourself in the feeling of gratitude, joy, or satisfaction that comes from already having it in your hands. This emotion is what seals your intention in the energetic field. Number 3, act as if it were already yours. Don't wait to see the result to behave accordingly. Start now by acting like the person who already has what they want. If you had already manifested your desire, how would you act? How would you think? How would you feel? Aligning your actions, thoughts, and emotions with this future version of yourself is the key to attracting the reality you want. This activates a change in your subconscious, sending the correct signal to the universe that this is your reality, and inevitably, it will manifest in the physical world. Number 4, be grateful and let it go. Now that you've seen your desire fulfilled in your mind and felt it fully, you can know that it's yours. Be grateful from the depths of your heart and let it go. I'm not saying you should forget about your desire or that you should stop thinking about it, much less give up on it. What you are letting go of is the urgency to receive it, and you replace that with gratitude and the emotion that it's already yours. If you saw it in your mind, it already exists. Keep in mind, you're not here to wait for the universe to deliver what you ask for. You have the power to make the universe obey you. Declare, feel, act, be grateful, let go, and watch as your desires manifest. Thank you for watching. Until next time, and remember, mind yourself.